What is up, guys? My name is Ari here, and in this video we're going to be having a look at KDA, just an overview, what happened in 2023 and how this can potentially explode in 2024. So happy almost New Year's, guys. I will be updating you guys throughout the week. Tomorrow I'm not taking any days off, so let's dive in straight into KDA. We're also going to be having a look at a Bitcoin analysis real quick in just a minute, just to see how Bitcoin can be massive in 2024. So if you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So diving into KDA right now, currently up at $1.36, up 11%. You can see this is the daily candle right here, just consolidating after this massive pump that we had a few days ago or last week, beginning of last week. And we could see right now that the volume is not crazy up, but it's not crazy down too. $31 million is solid. About 10% of the market cap is currently being traded, which is fantastic. Circling supply 256 million tokens, ranked 170. So can we see KDA go into the top 100 in 2024? I think so. I think it's very, very doable. Kadena right now, as you guys can see, is consolidating, which is very, very healthy. Usually when you have pumps like that, or when we did have pumps in the past on KDA, we would have dumps right away, maybe 1 or 2 days later, or even hours later. And right now we are seeing a nice little pump, of course, followed by consolidation or correction. Now, usually when we are overbought on the stochastic RSI, we're usually going to come back down and correct. So we were overbought right here, and investors were like, whoa, 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 we need to calm down. We need to slow things down. We're going to sell. We're going to consolidate a little bit. And this is exactly what happened. We brought the stochastic RSI. Now, remember what happened when we were oversold, guys. We essentially exploded. Okay, so a couple days after Tuesday, 19th of December, we went parabolic, exploded over 140%. Sorry, that's not really parabolic for a lot of people, but we exploded 140%. You're not going to really see anything like that in the stock market in the top 200, let's say in top 200 crypto or stocks any type. So up 140% is fantastic. Now, before I get into the whole Kishukan overview, what happened in 2023, I do want to have a look at this right now, Bitcoin yearly chart. So we could see that every year or every 4 years, we have essentially 4 or 3 green candles followed by a red candle. 3 green candles followed by a red candle, 3 green candles followed by a red candle. And now we're seeing right now, of course, this was 2023. We know after the red candle, we have the yearly green candle. And can we see a massive, massive candle in 2024? I think so. I'm very, very excited, honestly. We saw it in 2016. We saw it in 2020. So every 4 years, right? And can we see it now in 2024? Can we see a massive altcoin season bring it with it as well? I think so, in my opinion. I think we're going to see massive gain in 2024. And of course, if you were smart and you were accumulating in 2023, because I said it so many times since 2022, I said 2022 will be the bear market, 2023 will be the accumulation year, 2024 will be the altcoin bull run, with of course maybe 2025 half of it. So we could see things are obviously looking fantastic. Things are looking beautiful, more beautiful than ever. I'm very, very excited for what is to come in 2024. In my opinion, you still have a few months left to accumulate. That's my opinion, of course, not financial advice, before things do really take off in 2024. So diving into KDA real quick, having a look at the weekly time frame and see what happened in 2023, we could see that 2023 did approximately happen right here. And guess what happened? That was January. It was actually right here, I should say, December. Right here, we had a nice little pump to the upside, and then of course followed by a massive, massive dump. Crashed almost 70%, or it did crash 70%. And now you guys can see that we are finally back up at this level from last year, which is obviously very, very good. So you guys had a year to dollar cost average and buy every single big KDA dip right here, because your dollar cost average or your average entry on KDA would have probably been at 54 cents. And if you would have bought at 54 cents, you would have been up 144 cents instead of only buying right here, wait for it to go back to, you know, where it was last year, and then you would have been up only 50%. So that is the power of dollar costing average, something that a lot of people don't really understand and know. Now, exiting that real quick and moving the dollar cost average, we could see that we do have a very strong important resistant region right here on KDA. So you could see we did test this resistance or support that flipped into a resistance right here. So this was a support, came back down, flipped into a resistance, came back down, obviously had a major crash, crashed all the way down to 42 cents, and now came back up. And the big question is, will KDA, of course, break above this important resistance level? We could see that KDA right now is currently floating at this level right here, sitting at $1.35. I would love to see a break above $1.51 in order to see KDA really fly. Now, someone told me in the comments, where do I see KDA in the next 3 months? Well, if you guys are here for only 3 months, maybe that's not the right investment for you, because I don't know where I see KDA in the next 3 months. But what I can tell you is I do see KDA in the next year and a half above $50, $60, even $70. That's what I can tell you, okay? Because you're gonna have a time where crypto will go absolutely parabolic. So just because KDA right now is pumping and things are looking beautiful in the past week doesn't mean that it's gonna continue pumping like that at this pace for the next 3 months, okay? If that's, we could see KDA at $300, $400. Now, is it probable? No. Is it impossible? No, it's not impossible. It's definitely possible, but it's not probable, right? So that's what's happening right here. And something that I do want to talk about also, guys, and of course I want everyone to do their own research and due diligence on that, it's Kishu-Can. Now, this is the ultimate altcoin gem in the Kadena ecosystem right here. It's also the first one. You can see that the volume has increased drastically, up $220,000. We had a major dip. We first made the video, I believe. I think it went from like 34 all the way down to 15. You had like a 50% discount before essentially exploding and going to the moon. So if you would have bought right here when I approximately made the video, you would have been up 256%. If you guys want to essentially know more about that, you could of course click the link right here, or of course go to my profile, Kadena 1000 altcoin gem, and you will find it. Another thing that I want to talk about, guys, is of course my Telegram channel, or if you click on the link in the description below, you could actually copy my trades with Fairdesk. You guys can see this is my trades with Fairdesk right here. I got about 1,390 people in this group. I give all my updates on whether it's MicroStrategy buying Bitcoin, any news, anything with BlackRock, any technical analysis with Bitcoin, because we know Bitcoin's king. Everything will be essentially going to my Telegram channel. And of course, if you want to get a bonus to up $100,000 and trade, one of the best exchanges, in my opinion. I've had so much experience trading on Fairdesk. You could essentially do so, and that's about it. So market cap of Kishu-Can is sitting at $3.584 million. I think in opinion, this is an ultimate altcoin gem. This is a low cap, risky altcoin gem. Of course, do your own research and due diligence. But in the last 7 days, this thing is up 188%. But guys, like I said, everything can be risky. KDA, when KDA goes down, Kishu-Can does go down. KDA goes up, Kishu-Can does go up. So if you're bullish on Kishu-Can, I wouldn't be surprised if if you're bullish on KDA, sorry, I wouldn't be surprised if you're bullish on Kishu-Can too. I know a lot of people say, oh, you shouldn't do that because they do that, but they go on or one-to-one together, in my opinion. So the whole market right now is in green on this beautiful New Year's Eve. I'm very excited. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. I have big goals for 2024. If you guys are a KDA follower, smash that subscribe button as well, and let's take it to the moon, baby. I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. And if you guys won't see my video tomorrow, happy New Year's to you guys. Peace out.